Sa mundo ng boxing, ang paghaharap ng mga inaabangang pangalan sa larangan, kaya nitong yumanig at pumukaw sa diwa ng mga boxing fans na nananabik masaksihan ang kanilang mga iniidolong boksingero sa ibabaw ng lona. Maaari din itong makakapag-spark ng mga kaliwat kanan na intriga patungkol sa kanilang mga estilo sa pakikipagbuno sa ibabaw ng lona at mai-expose ang kanilang mga abilidad at kahinaan. Sa video na to mga boss ay unti-unti nating sisirin ang paparating na laban ng ating pambatong Pinoy na si Janriel Cuadro Alas Casimero.
Oh, Casimero got him. It's got him with a body shot, was it?
Laban sa rising star ng Amerika na si Saul Sanchez.
What is needed for Saul Sanchez to get to the world title opportunity?
Bagamat napakaraming katanungan ang sumasagi sa ating mga isipan kung makayanan kaya ni Sanchez ang namimilipit na galit sa mga kamao ni Casimero. Kaya pa bang tumagal ni Casimero sa laban? Ganong hinuhusgahan ito ng karamihan na humihina na umano ang hangin. Magagamit kaya ni Saul Sanchez ang kanyang mataas na IQ kapag nakasalubong na nito ang nag-uumapaw na IQ ni Cuadro Alas sa gitna ng laban?
So quickly, and he's seconds, and Tete's buy some time here.
Si Saul Sanchez, isang rising star sa bantamweight division. May taglay na kahanga-hangang bilis, lakas, determinasyon at liksi. Ang kanyang footwork ay isang bagay upang makita natin itong parang umaayon sa ritmo ng laban. Kaya nitong magdikta sa laro para siya ang laging nangingibabaw sa bakbakan. Dinudurog nito ng paunti-unti ang kanyang mga katunggali gamit ang sunod-sunod na mga kombinasyon hanggang sa magiging pulbo at sabay wawalisin ang diwa para masungkit ang panalo. Sa kabila ng yan, hindi lamang bilis ang kayang ihain ni Sanchez sa gitna ng bakbakan. May taglay din itong kahanga-hangang boxing IQ. Madiskarting pinagdissect nito ang kanyang mga kalaban sa bawat round. Sa kabilang banda naman mga boss, ngayon ay pag-usapan natin si Janriel Casimero. Nagmula pa sa Ormoc City, Leyte sa Pilipinas. Kilala siya sa kanyang pasabog, lakas, bigat ng kamao at agresibong estilo sa pakikipaglaban. Sa mga multiple world titles, naihanay na ang pangalan ni Casimero. Ipinakita ni Casimero ang kanyang kakayahang tapusin ang mga laban ng maaga sa isang suntok. Ang kanyang mga kamao ay mga sandata at wala itong katiting na takot sa dibdib para gamitin ang mga ito. So, kakayanin ba talaga ni Saul Sanchez ang bigat ng mga kamao ni Casimero? Let's break it down. Power. Kapag usapang power, itong si Cuadro Alas ay may taglay na one punch knockout. Samantalang itong si Saul naman mga boss ay umaasa lamang sa dami at tumpak ng mga pinapakawalang suntok nito. Magiging malaking problema nga ba kay Casimero ang isang uri ng agresibong boksingero na si Saul Sanchez? Speed and movement. Ang mabilis na footwork at mabilis na kombinasyon ni Sanchez ay maaaring makagawa ng problema para kay Casimero. Laging layunin ni Sanchez na i-pressure ang kanyang mga kalaban. Experience. Ang malawak na karanasan ni Casimero sa mga laban sa mga title fights ay nagbibigay sa kanya ng kalamangan pagdating sa mga sitwasyong may matataas na pressure at stress.
You got a big fight coming up against John Riel Casimero on October 13th. How's everything going?
Everything's good. I've been training hard and I'm ready to go. Good sparring.
Nananatili pa rin ang pangunahing tanong. Kaya bang i-handle ni Saul Sanchez ang lakas at bigat ng kamao ni John Riel Casimero? Dapat ilabas ni Sanchez ang kanyang mga pinakatinatagong baraha para mapuksa nito ang hagupit ng isang kwadro alas.
That might never be broken. Eras, both those came by way of stoppage.
Bodies of momentum, and he gets on that front foot, whipping that jab out.
He weighed 8 stone 4, weighing comfortably made the 8-6 limit.
Street jump.
He wants the brighter. Oh yeah, he just does enough. We commentated on last year. It was that fight last October, and that one wasn't it? He won by about 4 or 5 points.
Just took you off and be happy with that.
A quiet opening round. Belgium. Test.
Or when he, as we said earlier, whipped that uppercut on the target.
He's the chief executive officer or something of Pacquiao Promotion. Which it was.
Got too much experience just to rush in because he knows he'll walk. That's an advantage he always has over pretty much every fight.
Little bit at the moment.
Yeah, it is. You know, and again, Casimiro's trying to.
To Zolani Tete, the taller man.
I think it is actually. Yeah, I thought it was a good right hand. Well, obviously, no, that's better there close the gap. Not mine. I'm the taller fight with the longer reach. I want to keep it on. You got it. You got.
12. Oh, Casimero got him. It's got him with a body shot, was it?
No, it was on the chin. It was a short right hook to the chin.
And he's in trouble.
It's all over the place.
He's in real trouble. Tete's in a lot of trouble. And the hits continue. But can Casimero take him out here? It happened so quickly. And he's seconds. And Tete's to buy some time here and make Casimero miss. Casimero needs to pick his punches and he can't find the clean shot. I don't think there was a punch which put him down. He just collapsed to the canvas. Is he okay? Casimero wants to finish it right here, right now, and finish it he has. Changes hands in sensational fashion. Zolani Tete.
See, now here, nothing's happening. Then all of a sudden, look, he doubles up really quick, but the first one was gone.
It's like you see
You
that.
can't see it there by
Can't
the
see
referee,
that.
but it was a great shot. He stepped around the left foot of the southpaw, right
That's
on
the
the
right
temple,
hand.
right on the temple, right shoulder, right hook, right on the temple. And he does it again, doubles it up again, but the first one did all the damage.
He jumps in with a body shot, which initially I thought was what had done it, and then he lands with 2 right hands.
Recovered from the first one. You know, the referee could lose. He stepped in after the first knockdown. But the referee was Steve Greer was right to step in there. Teddy's not defending.
Welterweight champion of the world, Jean-Riel Cuatro Alas Casimero.
What? Dig that fatty whack, give a dog a bone. I was taking out your back, but you motherfucking don't. When I look at your eyes, I know you're not able to lie. So, with the two,
You
with the four,
what?